Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is March 25th. The time is around 2 a.m. GMT, and today we are looking at the chart of the DAX. This is the German index 45 minutes chart. We can see right here we are looking to do a wave 4 pullback in the form of an ABC zigzag here. ABC. This is going to be the 100% extension area between 14280 444, right? So we think that we still can see further upside, as long as the pullback continues to find support in 3711 swing. This is going to be the next support here, and also still above this trend line that we draw right here, which again favors still at this point the bull side. Now let's take a look a little bit at the higher degree. This is the 4 hour, so this is the 3, we are ending the 4. So we're looking at the move that started from January 28 over here, okay, and so from there we have 1 2 and then ending the 3 right here. If you measure the extension of this 1 2 3, it goes above 100%. Didn't quite reach the 161.8, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be 161.8 as a guideline. It can go to there in the 1.61, but it doesn't have to. Now this is currently wave 4. That means we are correcting this wave 3 right here, and guideline says it's between 23.6 38.2. We already hit the 23.6 right here. So if we go down a little bit more, then again the guideline is usually between 23.6 38.2, and 38.2 is going to give you 14,368, and this blue box here 14,368 is somewhere within this blue box. So again, it's still within the expected sort of area for a wave 4, right? And so this area right here, if we can reach here, we could see support, right? We could see support for 3ish bounce at least. Now what if it rallies from here? Well, if it rallies from here and let's say it continues to rally and break like this, then obviously if we can call it the most aggressive view and call wave 4 completed, and it's already starting the next leg to the upside. Okay, so that's the update from the DAX. And as always, if you want to get regular updates on indices, Forex, or stocks, commodities, you can try our service. We have 14 days free trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video. See you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.